Erection Booster Smoothie for men over 60. Tasty plus effective. As men age, it's common to notice changes in sexual health, including erectile function. While this is a natural part of aging, it doesn't mean you have to accept it without a fight. In fact, there are many natural ways to support and even improve erectile health, and one of the most enjoyable is through nutrition. Enter the Erection Booster Smoothie, a delicious nutrient-packed drink designed specifically for men over 60 who want to support their sexual vitality, energy, and overall well-being. Why focus on erectile health? After 60, erectile dysfunction, ED, affects millions of men, and its prevalence increases with age. According to the Massachusetts Male Aging Study, about 40% of men experience some degree of ED at age 40, and nearly 70% by age 70. The reasons are multifaceted. Declining testosterone, reduced blood flow, chronic health conditions like diabetes and hypertension, and even psychological factors. But here's the good news. Lifestyle choices, especially nutrition, can make a significant difference. Certain foods and nutrients have been shown to support blood flow, hormone balance, and overall sexual health. That's where the Erection Booster Smoothie comes in. The science behind the smoothie. Before diving into the recipe, let's explore the key nutrients and how they support erectile function. 1. Nitric oxide boosters. Erections depend on healthy blood flow. Nitric oxide, NO, is a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow to the penis. Foods rich in nitrates and certain amino acids can boost NO production. Beetroot, high in nitrates which convert to nitric oxide. Spinach, another nitrate-rich leafy green. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that increases NO. 2. Antioxidants. Oxidative stress can damage blood vessels and nerves. Antioxidants help protect these tissues. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, packed with flavonoids and vitamin C. Pomegranate, shown in studies to improve blood flow and erectile function. 3. Healthy fats. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so healthy fats are essential for hormone production. Avocado, rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, flaxseed, chia, provide omega-3s and zinc. 4. Zinc and magnesium. Both minerals are crucial for testosterone production and sexual health. Pumpkin seeds, high in zinc and magnesium. Spinach, also a good source of magnesium. 5. Adaptogens and circulation enhancers. Some natural herbs and spices can support circulation and libido. Ginger improves blood flow and has anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon may help regulate blood sugar and improve circulation. The Ultimate Erection Booster Smoothie. Recipe. This smoothie is designed to be both tasty and effective. It's easy to make, and you can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste and dietary needs. Ingredients: 1 small cooked beetroot, or 1/2 cup raw, peeled and chopped. 1 cup fresh spinach, 1/2 cup frozen blueberries, 1/2 cup frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup pomegranate juice, unsweetened, 1/2 cup watermelon chunks, 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed or chia seeds, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or milk of choice, 1 scoop plant-based protein powder, optional for extra nutrition, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for sweetness. Instructions: add all ingredients to a high-speed blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Add more almond milk if needed to reach your desired consistency. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. Pour into a large glass and enjoy immediately. Why these ingredients work. Let's break down the benefits of each ingredient. Beetroot boosts nitric oxide, improving blood flow. Spinach adds more nitrates and magnesium. Berries provide antioxidants to protect blood vessels. Pomegranate juice shown to improve erectile function in clinical studies. Watermelon contains citrulline, which helps relax blood vessels. Avocado, healthy fats for hormone production. Flaxseed/chia seeds, omega-3s and fiber for heart health. Pumpkin seeds, zinc and magnesium for testosterone and sexual health. Ginger and cinnamon, support circulation and reduce inflammation. Almond milk, dairy-free and low in calories. Protein powder, optional, but helps with muscle maintenance and satiety. How to make it a daily habit. Consistency is key. Here are some tips to make this smoothie a regular part of your routine. Prep ingredients in advance. Wash and chop fruits and veggies, and store them in freezer bags for quick blending. Drink it as breakfast or a snack. It's filling enough to replace a meal or serve as a post-workout snack. Experiment with flavors. Swap in different berries, greens, or seeds to keep things interesting. Share with your partner. This smoothie is great for women's health too. Other lifestyle tips for erectile health. While nutrition is powerful, it's just one piece of the puzzle. Here are other ways to support erectile function after 60. 1. Stay active. Regular exercise improves blood flow, boosts testosterone, and reduces stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, especially around the belly, can lower testosterone and increase the risk of ED. 3. Manage chronic conditions. High blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol can all damage blood vessels. Work with your doctor to keep these under control. 4. Limit alcohol and quit smoking. Both can impair blood flow and nerve function. 5. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep lowers testosterone and increases stress hormones. 6. Reduce stress. Chronic stress and anxiety can interfere with sexual function. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 7. Check your medications. Some medications can cause ED as a side effect. Talk to your doctor if you suspect this is an issue. Frequently asked questions. Is this smoothie safe for men with diabetes or high blood pressure? Yes, but be mindful of the fruit content if you're watching your blood sugar. You can reduce the amount of fruit or use lower sugar options like more greens and avocado. The ingredients are generally heart healthy and support blood pressure. How soon will I notice results? Some men notice improved energy and vitality within a week or two. For erectile health, it may take a few weeks of consistent healthy habits to see noticeable changes. Can I add supplements to the smoothie? Absolutely. You can add a scoop of L-citrulline or L-arginine powder, amino acids that boost nitric oxide, or a men's multivitamin. Always check with your doctor before starting new supplements. Are there any side effects? All ingredients are natural and safe for most people. If you have allergies or specific health conditions, adjust the recipe as needed. The bottom line: erectile health is a reflection of overall health, especially as we age. While there's no magic bullet, a nutrient-rich diet can make a significant difference. The Erection Booster Smoothie is a simple, delicious way to support blood flow, hormone balance, and energy, helping you feel your best at any age. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. Combine this smoothie with regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management for the best results. And most importantly, enjoy the journey to better health and vitality. Erection Booster Smoothie for Men, over 60. Quick recipe. Recap. Ingredients: beetroot, spinach, berries, pomegranate juice, watermelon, avocado, flaxseed/chia, pumpkin seeds, ginger, cinnamon, almond milk, protein powder. Optional, honey optional. Directions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Enjoy daily for best results. Cheers to your health, energy, and confidence at any age.